And our last dancer, the most decorated award-winning soloist of all time. She is only 23 years old. She is of Filipino and Hawaiian ancestry. She has won every single competition there is. All that's left is the Super Bowl and the World Series. Overall competition winner of the San Jose Tahiti Fete. Overall competition winner of the Waikiki Shell Tahiti Fete. Over 20 awards, ladies and gentlemen. I give to you the one, the only, the legend, the franchise, Cherisse Ligat. She's even a mommy and she can still move like that. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, our overall